Wildgate is available for free on Epic Games right now. Grab it before the offer expires. So open the Epic Games launcher. If you doesn't have the Epic Games launcher, then search on Chrome Epic Games and select the official site and select the download option and download the Epic Games launcher. Once it download done, open it in search store, type Wildgate, select the base game, and as you can see it is free right now. So this already free maybe. Type Wildgate, select the standard edition, and standard edition is free right now, so select the get option. So you can see 0 rupees. Select the place order option, select view in library and select the game and select install option, and the game will start installing. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.